Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, today we have an emergency situation. Right now we're testing this insane support area of this rise wedge pattern, and guys, we don't have only this, we have an insane cross of 50 and 200 exponential moving average, which is a death cross, and also we have one more indicator, which is the MACD, which is flashing bearish. This in a very big time frames, guys, and all the situation for me right now from technical side, it's looking bearish. Fundamental are extremely bearish, and technical right now it's looking extremely bearish. So guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you why I still so guys, on this video I'm gonna tell you my next price targets in the short term, and also in the mid long term I'm gonna explain you how we're gonna get into lower price. And guys, as you can clearly see right now, all this kind of pump, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna prove you for the last time, because I believe the next coming days we're gonna see the drop that I'm expecting, a lot to see. And I'm gonna prove you for one more day, as I told you, that all this kind of pump that happened in the last couple of days, the last couple of weeks, it was the biggest bull trap ever happened on this bear market. And guys, if you would like to know all these things, stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because it's a way that helps me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, also I need a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, a share with your friends, a share with your social media. It actually helped me a lot, and I appreciate you guys for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everybody. And guys, let's dive straight to the 8-hour time frame, because we have to cover lots of interesting things on this video. So guys, we're gonna start on this 8-hour time frame to begin with the most bearish thing that's flashing right now, which is this rise wedge pattern. And as you can clearly see, and of course the old subscribers or the old viewers already know that we have discussed this yesterday, because yesterday guys we were forming this retest on this area, and right now we have moved parallel to the support, and probably we're gonna see the breakout from time to time. I believe guys we can see on this candle in less than 3 hours the breakout on this support of this rise wedge pattern. So be ready for this breakout, because as I told you before, we have a beautiful formation of this rise wedge pattern: A move, B move, C move, and right now with the D move we're retesting this very important support area at the level of $23,400. And if we're gonna see the breakout, we're gonna see a very huge rejection of the market. Okay, and if you ask me, Chris, okay, so what's the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern? I right now implement the technical price target, which you're gonna see with your eyes that we're talking for a technical price target, guys, which is exactly the $20,600. I'm gonna put a red box, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm expecting. So guys, what I'm expecting, if we're gonna see the breakout here and gonna get close to $23,400, $23,200 or $23,100, I'm expecting even more drop to $22,500. Here probably gonna see some consolidation phase for a couple hours, but I believe afterwards we're gonna break also this very strong support area of $22,500, and we're gonna see a free fall to the area of $21,000. And if you ask me as an overall, I believe guys this technical price target is gonna be accomplished 100%, but it's gonna happen in parts. Okay, we're gonna see probably the first rejection is gonna happen straight to $22,500. The next it's gonna be around the area of 21,000 within $21,500, and then of course we're gonna continue to getting downwards. Okay, this is exactly what's my anticipation in this current situation of the Bitcoin, because you can clearly understand that we're talking for a very bearish thing. So if we move out guys to the daily time frame, we also have lots of bearish indicators. We have the RSI is in extremely overbought position. As you know, I have been telling you this when we reach the 89 RSI points, that this is insane. This is manipulated very well by big whales. And guys, this was not a pump from our real investors. It was happened by whales, hypers, firmwares, traders, all these guys. But it's not the real pump that can actually finish the end of the bear market. Okay, it's just manipulate pump. Okay, very simply to separate the things in your mind, and I'm very sure about that. Okay, and guys, as you know, I had told you that I believe 90% that this kind of pump it's not the end of bear market. I'm still bearish because fundamentally we are extremely bearish. Okay, fundamentally, guys, nothing changed at all. Also, the Jeremy Powell, in every speech, he actually confirmed my words that the bad things won't stop, and these things gonna continue in the next coming months. So I'm expecting at least 5 to 6 months to stay on this bearish situation. So that's why I justify this kind of pump that happened after this insane breakout of this downtrend movement. Justified as a bull trap. Okay, and actually it's the biggest bull trap because most of people have this fake belief that this is the end of the bear market. And the sad story about this situation is that if we're gonna see the Bitcoin price drop to very low numbers, lots of people gonna see their portfolios in a negative way, and we're gonna have lots of liquidations here, and that's the real the sad story, because the moon boys actually preparing you that this is the end of bear market 100% by ignoring the fundamentals. Okay, so without losing more time, I told you that RSI looking bearish for me. I believe that we're gonna see also right now. I just noticed it. We have a bearish divergence which happening. We have the Bitcoin price higher high, and we have also the higher low on the RSI, which is also bearish divergence. Okay, very clear bearish divergence to have in your mind. Also, right now I'm gonna show you another pattern that's flashing, which is the MACD indicator, guys, and you're gonna see that also I prepared you for this flip before actually happened. I told you here, if you remember, you can confirm my words that I told that anytime soon in the next coming days we're gonna see the bearish, this bearish flip on the MACD, and that kind of a flip is gonna create the drop on the price of the Bitcoin. You can go and confirm my words. I told you this many days before we saw finally the flip, and you can clearly see that right now we are around 5 days on this bearish territory, and my expectation is to see even bigger bearish territory building in on this area. Okay, guys, it's very clearly that as I believe that we're gonna see even more bearish territory, and with the cause of this bearish territory, it's gonna mean that we're gonna have a huge drop on the price of the Bitcoin. And the last and most important thing I left at the end, and guys, we saw for the first time, historical speaking, the exponential moving average 50 and 200 in the weekly time frame at death cross. And guys, it's very dangerous, because with this death cross probably going to experience the low levels that I'm expecting. With the low levels that I'm expecting, I'm talking around $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 of the Bitcoin price. And as we know, most of you guys, my worst case scenario is $12,000. I don't believe, and I don't have any anticipation to see the Bitcoin price, no matter how bad it's going to be the situation, under $12,000. $12,000 is the worst ever scenario that I believe it's gonna happen. Okay, because if you're gonna see prices, guys, under $40,000, the big whales, the big investors, the billionaires, the millionaires, the multimillionaires, gonna buy like crazy. If they see the Bitcoin price at $12,000, $13,000, we're gonna have lots of volatility, guys. You're gonna see the price fluctuating like crazy. We're gonna see crazy amounts of money putting on the market. So one tip, when we're gonna actually see, if we're gonna see that low numbers from $12,000 within $14,000, guys, do not wait to see the price. Do not wait to see the price if it's gonna get lower, because probably it's gonna be like a flash crash to those prices, and afterwards we're gonna see another rebound to $50,000 or $60,000, and we're gonna have crazy consolidation phase on those areas for a couple long time. Okay, this is exactly what I'm expecting, and what I'm gonna do if I'm gonna see prices like $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, like a huge crash instantly. I'm gonna buy like crazy, like never before. And that's all, guys. Okay, that's the tip. Do not wait to see, because you're gonna see the Bitcoin price at $12,000 or $13,000. You're gonna see lots of news emerge from nowhere that gonna tell you that wait for a little bit because we're gonna get to $9,000, $8,000. Guys, I don't believe these things. I believe 12 within $15,000 is gonna be the lowest points and the maximum pain that we're gonna experience on this very huge maximum pain, on this very huge recession that we're dealing with. Okay, and that's all, guys. Then this is the video. I hope you enjoyed. As you can clearly understand, we're talking right now for lots of very technically things, and of course fundamentally always we were bearish. We never switched to something bullish. I don't know why people see the market right now as a bullish, because they have some golden cross or some historical speaking from 2018 or 2015, which have absolutely no sense, because currently 2023, guys, the global economy is completely different since back then. Okay, I don't know. Probably everyone has his opinion, but guys, put your mind and walk the whatever I'm telling you, or do an extensive research to these things that I'm telling you, and you're gonna find the truth by yourself. Okay, do not rely only to what I'm telling you or what the moon boy is telling you. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section whatever question you have. I'm gonna answer everything, and see you guys tomorrow with a fresh update. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.